Regeneration, one of nature's most curious mysteries. A mystery science has struggled to fully comprehend. The starfish regrows a missing extremity. The lizard, a missing tail. And in the remote reaches of the Balkans, the Haberlia rhodopensis, a so-called resurrection plant, revives from drought-induced death. Starved of water for years, even decades, this plant miraculously preserves its own cells, only that when water is reintroduced, it might resurrect and again flourish. Only very recently have scientists decoded the biological secrets of the remarkable Haberlia rhodopensis. And only now, for the very first time, have these resurrection secrets and the powerful wellness properties they promise been tapped in the formulation of a skincare product delivering moisture retention, skin tone enhancement, and skin anti-aging qualities unlike anything you've ever experienced. The company behind this innovation? NuWays International. The breakthrough product, Resurrection Biomist. The human body. It's composed primarily of water, a precious substance that is in many ways our sustaining, life-giving force. Responsible for retaining this water is the skin. But in our planet's harsh environment, it can lose up to several liters of water each day. If left unchecked, this loss of moisture sets in motion a complicated chain of events that leads to premature denaturation of your skin. Without constant moisture, free radicals are overproduced, damaging cellular membranes and resulting in a loss of important electrolytes, metabolites, and proteins. Genetic information used to synthesize new proteins and new cells is further compromised in the DNA under these conditions, severely hindering cell metabolism and recovery. In fine, lack of moisture causes your skin to wrinkle, lose tone, and more quickly begin to age. Which is precisely why scientists from NuWays International turn to the special properties that give Haberlia rhodopensis, the resurrection plant, its ability to survive extended dry periods without harm.
By combining a generous amount of resurrection plant extract with a powerful formulation of skin-enriching ingredients, we've created a product that employs physiological and structural strategies to help protect and tone your skin while aiding to lock in moisture. The resurrection plant extract used in Resurrection Biomist contains unique low molecular polysaccharides capable of working together with collagen and elastin to help stabilize and moisturize the skin. More simply put, in order for your skin's proteins to maintain proper structure, a layer of water should continuously surround them. And tests have shown that substances such as those found in resurrection plants can form and maintain this protective layer. These findings were borne out during extensive clinical testing in Switzerland. In controlled in vitro assays, resurrection plant extract complex at only a 1% concentration was shown to help maintain healthy moisture levels in the skin, despite the effects of common denaturing substances such as urea, an enzyme deactivating agent that catalyzes the aging process by inhibiting skin cell metabolism. A 5% extract complex, the quantity formulated into NuWays Resurrection Biomist, proved even more efficacious. Similarly, the protective layer of water attributed to the resurrection plant extract complex was shown to help skin appear renewed, toned, smoother, and younger. In vivo placebo tests demonstrated that skin treated with resurrection plant extract complex has a clear and intensive increase in skin moisture. In fact, at the end of a 2-week test period, 80% of volunteers noted that their skin looked clearer, more toned, and was softer. Well, you might even say it looked and felt, well, resurrected.
Resurrection. It's an intriguing word, full of so much possibility. NuWays is proud to be the first company to harness the leading-edge science associated with the resurrection plant. Resurrection Biomist represents a new standard in skincare. So now we want to show you a simple test that demonstrates the amazing effects of Resurrection Biomist right before your eyes. To begin, we'll set out a couple of ordinary drinking glasses. Into the first, we'll pour 4 ounces of Resurrection Biomist. Into the second glass, we measure out 4 ounces of water. We'll also put a similar amount of competitor's product in another glass. Next, we slice a well-dried apricot in two and add one of the halves into each glass. We made sure the apricots are similar in weight, size, and color. Alright, now we set the glasses aside and allow the apricots to absorb the solutions for the next 6 to 10 hours. Okay, after 10 hours of soaking, we're ready to remove the apricots from their solutions. It's easy to see that the Resurrection Biomist apricot is now quite firm and completely re-moisturized to the normal size of a freshly cut apricot. The water-soaked apricot has also returned to a roughly normal size, though now it's mushy and soggy. As for the competitor apricot, it's soggy and only partially rehydrated. If you think of these apricots as your skin, it's obvious which product you'll want to choose. Now let's allow our apricots to dry in open air for another 6 hours. While we're waiting, let me show you just how easy it is to unleash Resurrection Biomist's moisture-retaining magic for your skin. Simply mist it on and gently massage it in. It's that simple to apply, and just as easy to complement with other New Ways skincare products. Rebound is a great moisturizer to use in conjunction with Resurrection Biomist. Or choose Skin Enhancer, Night Science, Circles and Lines, Retention Plus, Tender Care, Wrinkle Guard, or Barrier Cream. Then, after you have applied your favorite New Ways lotion, apply another mist of Resurrection Biomist. It's formulated with a mild, natural botanical scent that vanishes 2 to 3 minutes after you've massaged it in. So carry a bottle with you during the day to refresh your face or hands anytime you please. Also, remember that Resurrection Biomist helps the skin to maintain moisture. So be sure to put plenty of water into that skin by drinking 8 glasses of water every day. Okay, let's see how things are coming along with our apricots. 6 hours have now gone by, and the result of our experiments are becoming very clear. The Resurrection Biomist apricot continues to be moist and firm. Surprisingly, it hasn't experienced much oxidation. On the other hand, both the water apricot and our competitor's apricot have dried out to about the same size they were before being placed into the solutions. You'll also notice that they've become darker in color, indicating that oxidation is at work. If you're not using Resurrection Biomist already, you certainly should be. Just in case you need a little more coaxing, let me share some of the results of similar apricot tests we conducted in the laboratories here at New Ways. We wanted to see just how well Resurrection Biomist stacked up against the most respected, well-known, and best-selling skin moisturizing products in both the MLM and retail worlds. To be fair and absolutely accurate, scientists used some very expensive equipment for these tests. And even then, the results were the same. After 26 hours of drying, you can see that the apricot soaked in Resurrection Biomist is still far juicier, firmer, and much less oxidized than the competition's best-performing apricots. And after 36 hours, though diminishing, the advantage of the Resurrection Biomist apricot is even more evident. The truth is, there really is no comparison. Seeing is indeed believing. If you truly want to revitalize your skin, renewing its tone and suppleness while locking in moisture and beating back wrinkles and the effects of aging, Resurrection Biomist is clearly for you.
Just as the remarkable Haberlia rhodopensis miraculously preserves its own cells to thrive again after long periods of destructive drought, you too can now benefit from the moisturizing secrets of the Resurrection plant. To tone and revitalize your skin, to help it more effectively accumulate beneficial antioxidants and maintain constructive nutrients, to increase moisture content and suppleness while reducing the appearance of wrinkles and the effects of aging. Begin using Resurrection Biomist today. To find out how, contact the person who gave you this disc.